At KAESER, we know how important reliable performance is for your fiber jetting projects. Today, let's review a few simple startup checks to keep your mobile air compressor running at its best. Now we're going to be taking a closer look at the MOBILAIR M27. This compressor is best suited for mainline jetting. We'll be taking a moment to do a quick exterior inspection of the chassis, tow bar, and tire pressure. It's rated for 39 PSI. So before we start driving, we want to check that and make sure it's in accordance with the expectation. Then we're going to move over to the tow bar. Tow bar, you're going to want to check, make sure everything's in working order and nothing's loose or missing. Also your chains. Just do a quick visual inspection, make sure nothing's broken, nothing's missing. And then your trailer, same visual inspection, make sure everything is in working order. Now we're going to be doing a quick internal inspection. We're going to come over here and use our latches and open up the canopy. The first thing you want to look at is our air filters. We have our compressor air filter and our engine air filter. Right here is our compressor filter. Just want to check it and make sure that there's no blockage and it's clean. Same goes for the compressor air filter. Then we're going to move on to the engine oil, which you can use the dipstick located right here. For the compressor side, we're going to take a look at the sump with the filling port. We're also going to check the engine coolant level and the engine fuel level. Now that we've completed both the external and internal checklists, we're ready to get started. First step is to activate the main battery switch, which is located directly below the aftercooler. Next, we're going to close the canopy. Then we're going to open our ball valves. Now we're ready to turn the engine on. First, you prime it into auxiliary mode and then switch it into crank for 5 to 10 seconds, and then your machine will be turned on and you'll be ready to begin your process. Now that you've done your circle check and startup inspection on the MOBILAIR M27, you are now ready to start your jetting application out on the field.